Hi, I'm Christy Auckland, Assistant Principal at Port Susan Middle School. Today I just wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you the power standards or priority standards that were developed this summer. And priority standards stand for endurance, leverage, readiness, and priority. And they're really the essential understandings or concepts that are going to be focused on this year. So they were developed by teams of teachers that work together from the different schools, and those content area teachers looked at the Washington State Learning Standards and really worked to identify what was going to be most essential for student success this year in the 2020-2021 school year, knowing that students aren't going to be on campus, working as they normally do. They're going to be doing some distance learning for sure this year. And so the goal is to build continuity between the schools and the model. So if a student's doing continuous 2.0 learning or the hybrid, or maybe we're back in school all time, it's consistent. And then also with the idea that less is more. So it's better to focus really well on these ones that are essential than trying to overdo it and do too many different pieces. And so they really worked hard to pare those down for you guys this summer. So you're going to see templates that look like this. This is an example of the middle school and the high school. The middle school template is going to be organized by content, by grade level, sorry. So it's going to go 6th grade, all in order, and then it's going to go 7th grade, all in order, 8th grade, all in order, and then the health PE electives will be at the end. The high school on the opposite end is going to be organized by content. So it's going to be language arts and then each of the different grade levels. It's going to be math, the courses, science, the courses, so on and so forth. And so that's what you're going to be looking at. If you have questions, I would encourage you to reach out to the teachers that helped work on this to kind of talk you through it. Your principals will know who they are. And I just want to say thanks so much for all the hard work this summer. Appreciate it.